Hello students. So today we will start new exercise self practice 1E. In the last class we have discussed about all the properties of multiplication of integers and division of integers. So today we will solve the exercise question. See question number 1. So in question number 1, verify and name the property used. So what all the properties we have studied: closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So all that we have to here in the given question we have to verify and name the property also. So 1a, 18 multiply minus 15 equals to minus 15 multiply 18. See here the order of the multiplicants are changed, position of the multiplicants are changed. Here in 18 minus 15 is multiplied, here in minus 15 18 is multiplied. So which property? Commutative property. So the property used here, commutative property. Which property used? Commutative property is used. Commutative property is used. Commutative property is used. Okay. Now we have to verify. So first of all we solve the left hand side, LHS. So here 18 multiply minus 15, and here we solve the right hand side. Okay. So plus minus minus. Now 15 8 are 120, 0, carry 12, 15 1 is 15, plus 12 27. So minus 270. Okay, left hand side. Now we solve the right hand side here. RHS. Right hand side minus 15 multiply 18. Again first you multiply the sign, minus multiply plus. So minus multiply plus. So minus plus gives minus. And again 15 18s are the same, you will get 15 is 120, 0, carry 12, 15 is 15 plus 12 27, minus 270. See the left hand side and right hand sides are same. So what you write? LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, verified. So what you write? Verified. So the property is verified. Okay, like this we have to do. Now one more question we'll do in this one, D, last one. See the last question, 1D. See 1D. What we have to do in this question is minus 12 multiply in square bracket minus 7 plus 5 equals to right hand side. You see minus 12 multiply minus 7, minus 12 multiply minus 7 plus minus 12 multiply 5. Okay, now see which property in this is used. Distributive property. Here minus 12 is multiplied with the each number of this square bracket. Minus 12 multiply minus 7, minus 12 multiply plus 5. See which property is used here? Distributive property. So the property here use distributive property. So what you write? Distributive property. So property equals to So here the property equals to distributive property. Okay, now again we solve the left hand side and right hand side. So with the left hand side, minus 12 multiply minus 7 plus 5. Similarly we solve the right hand side also. RHS minus 12 multiply minus 7 plus minus 12 multiply 5. Now see here, minus 12 multiply in bracket, when you add minus 7 plus 5 gives you what? Minus 2. So here the result you get minus 2. So here minus minus plus, 12 7 is 84 plus minus plus minus, 12 5 is 60. Now here see what you get the result, minus minus plus, 12 2 is 24. Now see here what you will get, 84 minus 60. So from 84 if you subtract 60, what you will get? 24. Now see left hand side and right hand side, both sides you get 24. Now LHS equals to RHS equals to 24. Verified. Okay, now you can see in this also we have proved left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So distributive property of the multiplication over addition holds on the integers. Okay, now we do the question number 2, fill in the blanks. Now we move to the question number 2. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Now see A, 28 multiply, here is the blank, equals to 28. So what you multiply in 28, so the product will be the same, 28. So that is the one, multiplicative identity. 28 ones are 28. Now see the question number C, 285 multiply, here the blank. So what you multiply in 285, so the product you got 0. So that is the 0. If you multiply any integer by 0, the product will be what? 0. So 285 zeros are 0. So 285 zeros are 0. Now next question, E, minus 95 divided equals to, so what you divide, so the product you get minus 1. So what you multiply in minus 95, by which integer we divide minus 95, so that the quotient will be minus 1. So by the same number 95 you divide it, so minus plus minus, 95 1 is 95, so minus 1 you will get the quotient. Okay, now we see the question number 3. Evaluate by using suitable properties. 37 multiply minus 58. 37 multiply minus 58 plus minus 58 plus minus 58 multiply minus 27. Multiply minus 27. So with the help of the suitable properties we have to evaluate it. So here you can see distributive property, the same number minus 58 is multiplied with this. Okay, so we take minus 58 common, so minus 58 is multiplied, so that we take out, and what will be left here? If you take common means if you are taking out, if you dividing these two terms by minus 58, so that will be cancelled, so the quotient will be 37. So common means to divide the each term. So here there is two terms, one is this and the other is this. So both the term I am dividing by minus 58 because both the term you see contain minus 58. Both the term contain minus 58. So minus 58 if you divide both the terms, so that will be the cancel quotient will be 37. Here the quotient will be minus 27. 37 plus what you will get, minus 27. Minus 27, okay. 37 plus minus 27. Now here minus 58 plus minus minus 37 minus 27. Again minus 58. 37 minus 27 gives you what? 10. Minus 58 multiply 10. So here the product you will get minus 580. Like this you have to evaluate, okay. So here which property we used? Distributive property. So using suitable properties we have to evaluate, okay. So now we move to the next question. Now we see question number 3rd. D. 3rd D. 19 multiply minus 25. 19 multiply minus 25 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 8. Okay. So which property? Associative property. More than 3 integers are multiplied. So how we do here multiplication? So first we multiply these two numbers and after that we multiply these two numbers using suitable property, associative property. So here we are making the pair of these two numbers we multiply and these two. So 19 multiply minus 8. We are going to make this one pair and another one minus 25 multiply minus 4. Minus 25 multiply minus 4. So here 9 plus minus minus 19 8s are 100. So this is the 19 8s are, okay. So 8 times 72 to carry 8 times 72 to carry 7 8 1 is 52 152. So 19 8s are 152 minus 152 multiply here minus minus plus 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. So what will be the product? Minus 152 multiply with 100 will get 15,200. 15,000 minus 15,200. The value we get here. Okay. Now see the last question. Now we are on the last question, F. Third F. Minus 68 multiply minus 19 plus 68. So minus 68 multiply minus 19 plus 68. Okay, see how we do it. In this also we take common, distributive property we apply. Here 68 is present in both the number, okay. So we take 68 common. So when we take out 68 common, that will be cancelled, minus will be here. So minus 1 multiply minus 19. So what will be left here? Or we can take minus 68 common, no problem. So minus 68 we have taken common. So minus 68 will be cancelled. So here it will be left minus 19. And when you divide 68 by minus 68, here you will get the minus 1. Result will be minus 1. Okay. Now see after that minus 68 multiply minus 19 minus 1 gives you minus 20. Now here when you multiply minus minus plus. Now 68 2s are 2 8 are 16, carry 1 2 6 are 12 30 13 136 1360 1360 you get the product. Okay. So now we have completed self practice 1E. So the remaining question is the homework. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we will start new exercise self practice 1F. So thank you for your kind attention.